and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. I'm Kandra Souza. Now let's take a look at the top stories. Anti-corruption bureaus move to register a case against the Kolwa Sarpanch. A punch and the owner of a restaurant under the Prevention of Corruption Act has evoked a strong reaction. AAP leader Rajendra Kakodkar came down heavily on the Goa State Pollution Control Board for acting at the behest of the government when the board is an autonomous body. Now the news in detail. Anti-corruption bureaus moved to register a case against the Kolwa Sarpanch, a punch member and the owner of a restaurant under the Prevention of Corruption Act has evoked a strong reaction from two punch members and the owner of the restaurant.
Restaurant owner Xavier Fernandez said he had erected a temporary shed based on the permission given by the Kolwa Panchayat.
Mine is not the only one. Plus I have a permission. There are people who don't pay even a single cent to the Panchayat. And I have all the documents to prove it that Panchayat has granted me the shed. I renew it time to time. No, this year I have just renewed it. I almost had it for 2 years, for the last 2 years.
Speaking to media persons, Kolwa Punch Calvert Gonsalves said that the entire allegation is false. He assumed it to be a conspiracy.
We are plagued with one new illness, and that is RTI terrorism. There is one guy called Jovet D'Souza, who also is from Kolwa, Sarnabati. He first takes information under RTI, and then he lodges complaints in various departments. And then he sends messages and sometimes goes and meets those people also. Then he starts extorting from them. And I've got several people who have been his victims. Now, initially he had started in Kalangut, Arpora, Michael Braganza in Baga, then that Six Pillars Church in Sioli. He had started there, but then now since those guys are almost ready to beat him up, he has shifted his base to Kolwa.
Calvert Gonsalves also attacked the Anti-Corruption Bureau officials, saying that they are being biased.
He is very fond of Jovet D'Souza's complaints. Now, if other people complain, they don't take action. But then this anti-corruption branch, they come even for site inspection when he lodges a complaint. They came for such a site inspection in Kolwa. And when I confronted the PSI, he said, "Don't teach me my job."
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
AAP leader Rajendra Kakodkar came down heavily on the Goa State Pollution Control Board for acting at the behest of the government when the board is an autonomous body.
Speaking to media persons, Rajendra Kakodkar said that the Goa State Pollution Control Board, being autonomous body, cannot act according to the instructions from the government.
गोवा पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड ही एक ऑटोनॉमस स्टॅच्युटरी बॉडी. ऑटोनॉमस स्टॅच्युटरी बॉडी म्हणटी गव्हर्मेंटा अंडर येना, MLA अंडर येना म्हणले येनाच. पूण हालीच एक गोष्ट जाल्ली आसा जातूं भितर अशें दिसून येता की MLA आनी गव्हर्मेंट अशा गोवा पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा सारख्या ऑटोनॉमस बॉडीचेर दबाव हाडटा. हालींच तुमकां खबर आसा कोलव्या गेल्ले शुक्रार दीस गोवा पोल्यूशन बोर्डान कोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरी अंडर कलेक्टराक सांगले की कांय पोल्युटर्स आहात तांकां सील करून बंद करून उडय म्हणून. ताज्या नंतर एका दिसा भितर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान ऑर्डर फिरयली आणि ती बी केन्ना फिरयली तांचो हॉलिडे शेनवार आसता तेन्ना.
Another member of Aam Aadmi Party, Swati Kerkar, firmly denied the allegation that she is a member of the RSS. She said that she has never been a member of the RSS.
आम आदमी पार्टी गोंयांत आतां फुल फ्लेज आयिल्ली आसा आनी आम आदमी पार्टीचो मुख्य हेतू म्हणजे जे करप्शन आसा सगळ्या क्षेत्रांतलें मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे करप्शन चल्लेलें आसा ते पयस करपा खातीर आनी त्या करप्शनाक लागून जो कॉमन लोक आसा ताका जे त्रास भोगचे पडटा त्या विशयीचे सगळे जे त्रास आसा ते पयस करपा खातीर तो मेन उद्देश आसा आमचो, तो आमी फुडें घालून ह्या पार्टीचे जे आमचो उद्देश आसा तो आमी सफल करूंक सोदता. आनी त्याच्या खातीर आमी इतले वर्सां आमी सामाजीक क्षेत्रांत असल्या कारणान आमकां गोंयचे सगळे अनेक प्रश्न जे गोंयकारांक भेडसावता ते आमकां खबर आसा. तरी आसतना जे सामाजीक क्षेत्रांत काम करपी आसा तांकां एक हो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळिल्लो आसा आम आदमीच्या रुपान, की जे प्रश्न आसा ते खंय तरी पार्लमेंटान खंय तरी विधानसभेन वचून तांकां न्याय मेळोवन दिवपा खातीर आमकां एक हो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळिल्लो आसा. तर आमी गोंयच्या प्रत्येक गांवांत वता आसतना जे कॉमन जे गोंयचे प्रश्न आसा ते म्हटल्यार कॉमन लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आसा, जावं तो नुस्तेकारांचो आसूं, जावं तो मोटरसायकल पायलटांचो आसूं, जावं शेतकारांचो आसूं, असे जे अनेक प्रश्न आसा जे गोंयकारांक सद्या भेडसावता तेजेर आमी खूब लोकांचे इनपुट्स आमी घेवपाचें काम चालू आसा. आनी हे जे प्रश्न आनी मोठे प्रश्न म्हणजे ते जे जमनीचे एनवायरमेंटल आसूं, बाकी जे गव्हर्मेंट क्षेत्रांत जे काम चल्लेलें आसा, जे करप्शनाक लागून खूब कॉमन लोकांक जे त्रास भोगचे पडटा ते विशया खातीर हे सगळे विशय, बायलांचे विशय, लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सगळे विशय आसा ते आमी वेवस्थीत लोकांक एक वेगळो जो इतल्या वर्सां लोकांनी म्हणजे पयशे घेवन आतां मत विकते घेवपाचो हो जो ट्रेंड जाला ताका खंय तरी बदल दिवन लोकांक खरें राजकारण, खरी डेमोक्रेसी, लोकशाही, लोकांचो पावर कितें हें चलोवपाचें आसता. लोकांनी चलोवपाचें, कोण लिडर येवन कोणाक धमकोवन आनी जे दादागिरीचें जे वातावरण सगळ्याक जालां ते खंय तरी पयस करपा खातीर एक बारीक लोकांचो, कॉमन लोकांचो आवाज बुलंद करपा खातीर आमी आज हें मुखार पावल घातलेलें आसा. तेन्ना सगळ्या हांव गोंयकारां लागीं मागतां की आम आदमी पार्टी आज तुमच्या मुखार आयल्या, तुमचो हात आमच्या हातीन दिवपाची गरज आसा, आमचे जी शक्ती आसा ती बळकट करपाची गरज आसा. तेन्ना हे सगळे प्रश्न घेवन आमी मुखार वचुया आनी खंय तरी आमच्या फुडल्या पिळगेक एक बरें गोंय, जे स्वप्नांतलें गोंय आसा तें आमी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करुया.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
A watermelon demonstration project was organized by the farmers of Parra village, which was supported by Syngenta Krishi Mitra on Sunday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who was present for the occasion, felicitated the farmers for maintaining the watermelon fields in Goa.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that watermelon cultivation culture in Parra should be preserved.
हे पर्राची काळां तशी गांव देशभर गेली, पण म्हाका दिसता ती परती रिवायव करूंक जाय आमकां. ह्या देशानूय आमचे ते मनशाची रिसोर्स आहा ताकाय आमकां परते जनरेट करचे पडटले.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said that the Tilari water treatment plant at Girim will soon become functional, which will solve the water supply problem for drinking and cultivation.
पर्रा विलेजीन जावं आमचे कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गोंया खातीर म्हाका दिसता हो तिलारीचे उदक खूब वर्सां जाली येता म्हणून थिंगात उरला. आमी डिबेटूय केले असेंब्लीन, चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगला की पायपलायन घालून हाडया म्हणून, कित्याक ते चॅनल्स जे आहा, कनाल जे बांदता ते खंय तरी मोदेकातूच मोडटा आनी फुट्टा आनी उदक पावना हिंगासर. सो आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आहा जो हिंगासर प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट जावपाक आसलो आमच्या गिरी, दॅट इज वॉटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट वीच वील लूक आफ्टर बार्देस तालुका, होय बेगिनात स्टार्ट जावपाक जाय. कित्याक शॉर्टेज ऑफ वॉटर खूब आहा आमच्या कोस्टल बेल्टाक. बार्देजान जर तर उदक सफिशियंट मेवतले जाल्यार ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट एट गिरी इज मस्ट, आनी तितूनसून आमकां हेच प्रोजेक्टाचे उदक फॉर फार्मिंग मेवतले.
Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
And now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The scheduled caste community in Goa has hit out at the Parrikar government for not giving due justice to the community's demands. They have also requested their leaders to sort out the differences and work unitedly to meet the challenges of the community.
At a meeting held at the Ravindra Bhavan Margaon, Govind Gowde said that the time has come for the community, both Hindus and Christians, to unite for the common good cause. He also highlighted the government's failure to utilize the tribal sub-plan, declare scheduled areas and fill up the backlog of vacancies.
सो सेन्सस जो आसा 2011 जो युनियन गव्हर्मेंटान जो केल्लो आशिल्लो त्या सेन्ससा प्रमाणे आमकां कळून चुकिल्लें आसा की तो सेन्सस आमचो आज कमी केल्लो आसा आनी त्याचे भितर अवेरनेस करपा खातीर आज आमी ही मिटींग दवरलेली आसा
किती जाता मिटींग
आमी वी हॅव डिसायडेड टू कंडक्ट अवर ओन सर्वे आनी तेजे खातीर आमी सर्वे फ्रॉम प्रिंट केल्ले आसात. ऑल द इलेक्टेड जे मेंबर्स आसात किंवा जे सोशल फिल्डाचेर आज काम करतात आमी प्रत्येक वाड्याचेर वचून आमी स्वताची सर्वे आज आमी करपाचें थरलेलें आसा आनी तेजे संदर्भानूच ही आज सगळ्या गांवांनी मिटींग चालू आसात. प्रत्येक तालुक्यान आमचे जे पॉकेट्स आसात आनी जे कोण इंट्रस्ट घेवन काम करतात तांकां आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय करपाचो प्रयत्न केला.
In his address, Rashol Sarpanch Joseph Vaz also underlined the need for unity amongst the scheduled tribes to achieve their demands. He charged the government for not paying heed to the genuine demands of the scheduled tribes.
पॉलिटिकल लेवलाचेर कांय उलोवपाक शकना. जी आमच्या लिडरांची इच्छा आसा हांवें मागची ती तांचे विचार हांव पॉलिटिकल लेवलाचेर कांय उलोवपाक शकना. मुगेल मेन हेतू म्हणटा तो मुगेले सगळे भाव जे एसटीचे लोक आसात आमचे वेगळे वेगळे भागांतले जावं वेगळे वेगळे धर्मांतले आमी सगळे एकठांय येवचे आनी आमचे हकाप आसात आमी लढाई करची. आज चड गरज आसा आमचो जो आंकडो पळय आमचो देंवयल्लो आसा तो आंकडो आमचो कसो देंवलो तें पळोवपाची आमची गरज आसा. आनी परत आमी सर्वे करपा लागून आमी आयज सनसेटान बाब गोविंदाच्या फुडारा खाला आनी दुसरे आमचे लिडर आहा त्यांचे फुडारा खाला आमी हो एकवट केल्लो आसा आनी आमी थाराव घेतला प्रत्येक एक पंचायतान एक वार्डान आमी जोण एकल्या वॉर्ड मेंबरान ही सर्वे करची आनी आमचे फिगर जें चुकलां तें आमी फिगर घेवन सरकाराक दाखयचें की आमकडे हेच्या चड जी संख्या आसा दाखयल्ली आसा तेच्या चड आमकडे संख्या आसा म्हूण आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमकां रिजर्वेशन मेळपाक जाय. त्या रिजर्वेशनाचेर आमी मांग करतले. जे पळय वस्तू आमकां सरकारान दिले नाय आमची मागणी आशिल्ली तेजेर आमी लढाई करतले आनी आमचे हक्काप आसात एज अ कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल रायट आसा तेका आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन आमी झूज मांडपाचे आज आमी थाराव केल्ला.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Bhartiya Mahila Bank inaugurated its first branch in Panjim, Goa on Tuesday. The director of NRB Group, Manda Bandekar, CMD Usha Ananta Subramanian and others were present on the occasion. Bhartiya Mahila Bank is the first women's bank wholly owned by the Government of India, and this is the 14th branch in India.
While speaking on the occasion, Director of NRB Group Manda Bandekar expressed her desire that the bank should expand in Goa as there is immense potential for taking women into the field of financial services.
What is more important is that Goa is the only state in the country which has uniform civil code. The uniform civil code bestows equal rights to women, and that means the women are rightful owners of half of the wealth in Goa, and this makes the per capita deposit of women the highest in the country. So the good deposits that are available in the state are definitely a good reason to open more branches of the bank.
Speaking at a press conference after the inauguration function, the CMD of the bank, Usha Ananta Subramaniam, told media that Bhartiya Mahila Bank is the first branch in Goa and will open 2 more branches by the month of April 2014. She further said that BMB has its branches in all the capital cities of the country, and by 31st March they plan to have up to 25 branches in the country.
So today we have opened our 14th branch at Goa. I mean the first branch of Goa at Panjim. Certainly we are looking to opening 1 or 2 more branches in the next year. Maybe we would like to go into the interiors, looking for some good centers in Goa where women dominated groups, so that the real benefit passes on to them. So we are exploring on those centers. Maybe certainly 1 or 2 centers should be there. All over India we'll be opening additionally 55 branches in 14-15. But most of the branches now, having covered the capital cities, we'll be going to tier 4, 5, 6 unbanked those kind of centers. Today is the 14th branch, and by March 31st, we should have 25 branches, including places like Itanagar, Gangtok, Agartala, Srinagar, even those kind of northeast and the other far off places.
With Amar Chavaria, Rachita Chodankar for HCN.
Managing Director of Yamaha Motorcycles, Masaki Asano, inaugurated Quadros Motor Rides at a glittering ceremony at Davolim on Monday.
CMD of Quadros Group of Companies, Evencio Quadros, told media that though the Yamaha outlets deals in sales, preference would also be given to after-sales service as well.
Yamaha today has the best bikes in 250 segments and above. In order to cater to these customers, we have put this sales as well as service outlet, and we have, if you see here, we have focused more on service than in sales, because selling anybody can do, but service is the main criteria, which is a hallmark of a two-wheeler or any automobile industry. And we have seen that the best effort is put here to give the best services, and I think now customers, there's a huge population of Yamaha vehicles which where there has been a lot of due to dealer being not there has been a lot of frustration in the people, and now the frustration of people will be turned into an experience to buy Yamaha and to live with Yamaha.
Managing Director of Yamaha, Masaki Asano, gave more details.
As you know, from the hotel to here, it took around 1 hour. So I'm very surprised because in Goa, in the scooter, I saw so much scooter, but unfortunately, only 1 or 2 units I met my scooter Yamaha. So that's why tonight I'm very happy to celebrate this opening ceremony for Yamaha, especially Yamaha shop here. So I hope from tonight, so many customers recognize what is Yamaha brand, and many customers recognize what is a Yamaha scooter, and also our satisfaction level to all the people who are living in Goa. So taking this opportunity once again, I'd like to say thank you very much for joining this nice opening ceremony.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
The Goa Premier League will be inaugurated tomorrow in association with the Goa Cricket Association at the GCA ground, Porvorim. Chief guest for the inaugural function will be former Indian captain Kapil Dev. GPL 2014 will feature floodlight games and also LED scoreboards. 2 foreign teams from Russia and USA are expected to be among the 8 teams participating in the Goa Premier League T20 cricket, which will commence on March 23rd.
And Russia, which is first time coming in this year's GPL. Group B consists of Sarvodaya, Chocolate, Gino also new first time in our GPL participating, and one team from USA which contains lot of experts from Pakistan and India who have played high level cricket.
Speaking to HCN, President of Goa Cricket Association, Balu Fadke, said that GPL 2014 will have 2 matches per day, from which second game will be played during night time in floodlight.
This year GPL will be played during day and night matches. The matches will start at 2:30 in the afternoon and will finish at 5:30. The second match will start at 6:30 till 9:30. So second match will be played in the floodlight, which will happen first time in Goa Cricket Association ground.
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. Anti-corruption bureaus move to register a case against the Kolva Sarpanch. A punch and the owner of a restaurant under the Prevention of Corruption Act has evoked a strong reaction. AAP leader Rajendra Kakodkar came down heavily on the Goa State Pollution Control Board for acting at the behest of the government when the board is an autonomous body. In our video of the day section, we bring you funny compilation with bunch full of laughter. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.